how to add referral code in Binance after registration. So if you want to add the referral code in Binance after the registration, then what you need to do is first you simply open up your Binance on your browser. Go with www.binance.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the referral option, which is here on the left. Click on referral and it will take you to the referral page. Here, you will have your referral ID and your referral link. So you can simply go and invite friends, your colleagues, your friends, your family members, or anyone. Or you can also go with the profile option, which will be on the upper right. And under profile, you will have the referral option, which will take you to the same page. Both the referral, you, and the referee, the person using your referral code, can receive bonus, rewards such as discounts on trading fees, commission, kickbacks, or other incentives offered by Binance. As part of the referral program, the referral program also fosters a sense of community within the cryptocurrency space, as users can participate to support the growth of their favorite projects and communities. Once you've set everything up, just simply click on the generate link and then invite now option. Note that the referral code bonus is only available to newly registered accounts. If you've already have an active balance or active Binance account, you won't be able to add a referral code retroactively. If you want to know more about the referral code or if you've encountered any issues, then you can simply click on the Help AI Assistant option or visit the Binance Help Center and search for relevant topics. You might also want to check out the section on how to refer your friends for additional details. And that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.